Okay, I'm now reset the valve timing job because I think it's not it was not set perfectly last time, so I will reset the valve timing today. Okay, I am preparing the valve timing job. Remove the cover and tensioner, and remove crankcase side cover, and set the top dead point line T and mark that lined straightly. Yes, done. And this and set the chain, but it cannot be located straightly. See? Not allocated to the teeth. The sprocket teeth. This is problem. I will try. No, the haptis is set it to haptis. Okay, you can see I allocated the top dead point. See? And you just can sprocket the timing mark is set to perfectly to head surface, but chain can set the chain to the right is like this. So I have to find why I got trouble, this kind of problem. Have to check. Yes, top dead point mark is aligned, and you just timing mark is set like that, but in case the chain is not fit, like this, so maybe I have to turn the exhaust cam sprocket counterclockwise. see. Slightly. Okay, this angle, slightly I turn the cam sprocket counterclockwise, and in the case, okay, set perfectly, and tap that point, it's good, see? Tap align, I aligned, tap that point like that, and exhaust cam timing mark, this like that. Hey, focus. Okay, like that, and this is status. Chain is perfectly set like this, and okay, set perfectly. Tighten. Pull the chain tightly and set perfectly. This is the best matched position. Yes, last time I think I failed at the time, but now this time I think it is good position. Okay, I will set the intake cam or so. Okay. Okay, yes, perfect. I set perfectly. So last time I think I had a mistake. That's not good. Check, please check and check. So top that point mark is aligned perfectly, straight line, and exhaust cam. For exhaust cam is set the perfectly horizontally the mark, check, and tension enough. This chain is has enough tension, and intake mark. Fit horizontally perfectly. That is the right condition. Okay. 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 Result. Conclusion. I had a mistake last time. Verb timing job. This time, this job is good position. Good verb timing position. So you have to do set the mark. You have to check your timing mark like this. Tap that point. You can just time mark horizontally check, and tension check, and intake mark horizontally. Okay, this time verb timing job is done perfectly. Good. Check the timing. This engine is fully overhauled and there's no oil in this engine, so pour 1 barrel of engine oil. This is 1 liter. Well. Hey. Engineer is come to the spark plug area, but it's okay now for now. And check the time again. Turn clockwise only. Okay. Can you hear the sound? Shh. Air purging sound. I didn't hear this sound before verb timing job when I did this verb timing job. So I think that's wrong, and this is right. Check the sound. Yes, this sound. Okay. Yes, right. Good. and set the timing again. Okay, and check. And check. Okay. See the timing mark? No. Top dead point mark. The top dead point mark is aligned to center line and exhaust cam. Mark is see. Set to horizontally and intake. Set horizontally. So it's good. It's good. Maybe turn more, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay. Good. I did the verb timing job perfectly, successfully. Finish.